And the rough wind beneath my wings. As expected, draws for your lead is Storm Gas is on the outside. Moving up, lever action creation is on the outside. Then followed by Dancing Storms. He's the man second last, while Chief of Staff is the early trailer as they round towards the 3/4 mile distance. Wind beneath my wings in command. Then on the outside trying to tackle is Storm Gas. Then running on the outside, third lever action is sneaking in down on the inside. He's the man. Dancing Storms closing in. Creation drops back second last, and Chip Upstop is still running at the tail of the field as they pass towards the half mile. Wind beneath my wings still leading the field. Moving up, Storm Gas together with lever action. He's the man. Then here comes Chip Upstop, now catching the fourth spot and still moving up as they race towards the last 450. Is Storm Gas now the leader? Lever action still in second, and running by the rail is Wind beneath my wings, moving up on the outside. Chip Upstop as they turn for home. Is Storm Gas leading the field? Then on the outside, lever action. Chip Upstop racing in third. Wind beneath my wings with 150 to go is Storm Gas. This time by about 4 lengths over lever action, Chip Upstop. And finally, number 3, Storm Gas, Chip Upstop. Number 5, lever actions. Then comes Dancing Storms, Creations, Wind beneath my wings. And number 1, He's the Man.